Turned off the world, afraid to spread your wings and fly. You lost your way without ever knowing. It's your dreams that keep you alive. So don't give up your dreams.